Assalamualaikum nursery class. Today we will talk about another number. This is your smart math reader and activity book. As you all know that we have done page number 17 and today we will do page number 18. Okay, so what's on the page? 1, 2, 12. Okay, what is this? 1, 2, 12. Again 1, 2, 12. Again 1, 2, 12. Now what's in the picture? As you can see, here are many beautiful and colorful butterflies. Okay, this is butterflies. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 12. 12 butterflies, 12 butterflies, 12 butterflies.